everyone. So I am back with another video. Can you believe it? I have this kit from my mom. Oh my gosh, I've had this for longer than I should have. Probably like 6 months or so. And my mom has been asking me very kindly and has been very patient in wanting me to get this launched for her. So here is one of Mom's latest kits that I am going to show and share with all of you. And for all of you who know, my mom's kits, they go pretty quickly. Let's see here. Make sure I get everything. All right, so as you know, my mom always has a little thank you that she likes to include in her kit. And this one is filled with, it looks like a lot of tags in there, which we can always use tags. And then she has a paper pack along with, she's always got some beautiful things that she creates in these. But wait till I show you one of the items. All right, so let's see what this is. So she has this beautiful envelope, and look, she stitches all of this. Mom always puts so much love and care into her kits. I hate to open this up, but I don't want to rip the washi. And my nails, I have literally worked my nails all off. Like, this is the shortest they've ever been in a long time. They're just destroyed from handling all the paper and doing all the kits, and oh my gosh. So inside of this beautiful envelope that she made, you will find all sorts of wonderful things here. We got some tags here. Oh, look at, I think she stamped all of these. Yep. This was a stamp. So she stamped this and then cut it out. Oh, the work. Oh, look at these. And then she stamped these. Oh, look at the little sacks. Isn't that cute? So she stamped and cut out all of those. Oh, cute. Oh, I love these. I have not ever seen bags this tiny. These would create the cutest little pockets or tabs. And then this one says vintage. Aren't those neat? I love those. And then, of course, we got some journal cards. She even distressed everything. Oh my goodness, Mom. She always outdoes herself. Now you know where I get it from. And then there's some tags here. And then she put in some of these beautiful gold foiled die cuts. And then another die cut. Look how pretty. And you could put that together. She's got this stitched kind of piece of ephemera there. I think this looks like she stamped on fabric and then stitched around. All the work for just this. And I think she did 40 some of these kits, and they go quick. I always warn everyone, like, they go super, super fast. And it's been a while since she's done a kit, just because they do take a lot of time and work for her to do. This, she stamped on this and then stitched it. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that stamp is. Isn't that adorable? I recognize this design. That's from my letter diaries collection. Again, just stitched on a piece of trim there. She always adds these little things. Another journal card, a bigger tag. And this is from my Fashion Bazaar design, one of the envelopes. And inside she put in, oh, she tea stained it. Or coffee stained it. One of the two. I'm pretty sure she coffee stained it. I don't think my mom's ever tea stained anything. It would be coffee stained. And then we got a guest check and a tag and one of the ladies from one of my digital collections. So there's that. That's just the envelope. I have a long ways to go. This is going to take a little time. You might want to grab some coffee or tea. We might be here for a little while. Okay. Okay, next is a paper pack. Oh, we got a nice cluster of trims here with a pin, safety pin. And then the paper. Mom and I love Prima, so there probably is a lot of Prima paper, but I never get tired of Prima paper because it's really nice weight. And before I got with Blue Fern, this is before I designed for Blue Fern, because you know, Blue Fern, I love Blue Fern paper. But before I designed for Blue Fern, Mom and I had bought a lot of Prima paper. And I mean, we got quite an inventory of it, and we're finally starting to get low on our stock of Prima paper, but yeah, it's just beautiful designs. It works nicely. You know, it's just nice to work with this because this is where you have some of those solids, or, you know, not as busy of a background, where you sometimes need that when you're working on your journals and things, or cards, or whatever it might be that you are going to make. And I think she did say that these papers differed in the kit, so you might get something a little different as far as, you know, the papers and everything, but you're going to get the same quantity. Everything's just going to have a little bit of a variance to it. So look how pretty. You can see where she's going with this now, these colors. And then you have like this. See how that all ties together. And Mom and I, you know, when we do put our kits together, I know we try hard to make sure everything coordinates. We're really big on that. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 6. Love that paper. This will be sheet number 7. It's all double-sided cardstock, which I never can have enough of. All of these, you can cut all this out, all these cut aparts here. So she must have included 10 sheets of cardstock. Oh, I love that. Alright, so that is the cardstock pack, along with this envelope filled with all sorts of goodies. Okay, and then in another little packet, we have, oh boy, this cute little file folder. Oh my, it's filled with all sorts of ephemera. I think this is like one of the Tim Holtz cards. All this work. Oh my gosh, Mom. It's so beautiful. And then she has this little belly band pocket here with an index card and a journal card. And then more journal cards. And then she's got this little charm on this pin here. Isn't that cute? And then we have an envelope. And inside, I'm sure there's all sorts of goodies inside. Oh, look at there. I have like this vintage card here. Look how cute. So you get this card and then a lot of tags. Love this envelope, the ribbon. Oh, I'm so lost without having my nails. I have to give my poor nails a break. They've just been, oh my gosh. My fingers almost hurt. Okay. And then there's this paper baggie. Let's see, she's just got that, yeah, a little sticky holding these pieces of fabrics and trim there. So you get this cute little paper sack, and it's filled with this cute little pocket card here. And a Rolodex and a pink tag and a wax bag. Gosh, look at all of these that she made. I can't believe she made 40 some of each of these. Oh, isn't that cute? Very cute. And then inside of this one, we have another stitched piece of ephemera. And she stamped all of that. All of that is stamped. So much work. So much work went into this. I mean, you already have all these beautiful things. How easy would it be to put a journal together with everything, you know, that's already been made that comes in this kit? Wow. All right, so there's that little packet. And then in this one, okay, I always save the best for last. What a cool cover. Oh, and it's got this pocket here. Isn't that neat? Oh my gosh. That is so cool. So yeah, you have a pocket here and you have a pocket here. Look at, she used vintage doilies. Wow. And then the back, it's all that quilted material. Isn't that just cool? Oh my gosh. I love it. So pretty. So there's that. And then inside of it, she had this coffee stained bag filled with, you know, you get a big tag. You never can have enough of this stuff, ever. Like, I use these as my staple items, you know, to put all my designs and decorate things on. Like, I can never have enough. This one, she created a pocket with this envelope. Little card there. Oh, love it. Coffee stained envelope. And another one. So lots of coffee stained bags and envelopes there. And then in this section, get a piece of lace. Ooh, very Very cool. This printed old-looking paper here. Gosh, she cut and tore. Well, it looks like she tore and then distressed all those edges. Very neat. And then, of course, get some coffee-stained papers. Another thing that you can never have enough of. She gave quite a few there. And then got some ledger paper. I believe this did come out of a vintage ledger. And we got some craft paper here. And a coffee stained bag filled with, got some music paper. So we got the nice vintage music paper here. Love it. Beethoven and Mozart. And we got some 6x6 papers and some book pages. And knowing my mom, these are all, vintage books that she pulled these from. Ooh, and then you get this really pretty plate illustration. All right, so there is everything that comes in the kit that my mom put together, and I will have those available on the site. I love this right here. It's so cool. All these little handmade things that she put in this kit. It's just, unbelievable. All the stamping, distressing, all the die cuts. So you have a journal here all ready to go. It's just beautiful. Mom always does beautiful kits. They're always just gorgeous. All right, so I wanted to share this kit with all of you. It's so big, I can't even get it all into the camera. A big thank you to everyone for watching. And again, I will have this kit listed on the homepage of my site. I'll put the link down below. If you're wanting it, don't wait, because mom kits, they go really fast. I think she did I believe she did like 40 some. And so, she wanted to make sure that you had a chance to try and grab one. But yeah, hurry if you want one. Don't wait. And we'll catch y'all back soon with another video. Thank you so much for watching.